In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover Vinted account. If you've been locked out or simply forgot your password, don't worry. This walkthrough will get you back in quickly and safely. First, open your web browser and head to vinted.com. Make sure you're on the official site and not a lookalike. It's best to do this on a trusted device and connection so your account stays secure. On the homepage, look for the login option at the top right corner and click it. You'll see several sign-in choices. For account recovery, choose login with email. This method is the most straightforward when you need to reset access. Now enter the email address linked to your Vinted account. Take a moment to double check for typos. Small mistakes like missing a letter or using the wrong email can prevent the reset email from arriving. If you have multiple addresses, try the one you originally used when you signed up. Click Continue. Vinted will then send password reset instructions to your inbox. This usually arrives within a minute or two, but it can sometimes take a little longer depending on your email provider. Keep the browser tab open while you check your email. Go to your email and look for a message from Vinted. If you don't see it in your main inbox, check folders like spam, junk, promotions, or updates. You can also search your inbox for the word Vinted or reset. Be cautious and confirm the sender is legitimate before proceeding. Don't click links in suspicious emails. Open the email and find the button or link that says reset your password now. Click it. This is a secure, one-time link that takes you directly to Vinted's recovery flow. These links often expire, so if you wait too long and it doesn't work, simply repeat the same process to get a fresh email. Also, avoid forwarding the email or sharing the link. Anyone with it could access your account. If the email still doesn't arrive after a few minutes, verify you entered the correct address and try again. Sometimes adjusting spam filters or adding Vinted to your safe senders list helps future messages land in your inbox. And remember, staying on the same device and browser you started with can make the process smoother. That's it. You've used Vinted's built-in recovery flow to regain access. Take your time with each step, and you'll be back on your account in no time. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your recovery.